What is the estate planning process? Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt from the DeWitt Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, and we do them well. If you have questions about this or anything else, you can set up a time to talk to me over the phone or in person for free by going to planwithgary.com. This is where I get to talk a little bit about the process and system of estate planning. Every attorney does it slightly differently, but this is the way I do it, and this is my process. I worked in the computer industry for years, so I make a system out of everything. I break things up, like estate planning, into steps that are easy to follow and easy to complete. I worked in the computer industry for years, so I make a system out of everything. I break up things like estate planning into a set of easy-to-follow steps and easy-to-complete steps. The estate planning process starts before you ever pick up the phone and set up your first appointment. You don't know what you don't know. Until you know the importance of it or the risk of not estate planning, you won't do anything. Once you decide to plan, your next step should be consulting with an attorney. The attorney will tell you what you need to bring to the meeting. You should expect this meeting to last about an hour as we get to know each other and talk about your assets and your family dynamics. At the end of this meeting, you'll be presented with a set of options as to what your estate plan will be to move forward. If you choose to move forward, we'll sign a fee agreement and you'll be assigned homework to write down what I need to know to actually write your plan. It's not hard homework. However, it's crucial to the entire system. Your homework will have a list of everything you need to gather up and everything you need to write down, and it has plenty of room for handwriting. Once you've turned in your homework, the attorney will draft the documents. A summary of the people, their responsibilities, and the important parts of the plan will be presented to you. Unless you want the gory details, the tax provisions, the definitions, and more, you won't be given a full copy of the documents. I find a lot of people get bogged down because they want to read it cover to cover and are worried about a definition or a word or a sentence. Most people will also struggle to read the documents because they're written in legalese and IRS code, and it's full of legal terminology and it's in a legal writing style. I find when I give somebody a full copy, it delays the planning process considerably. Once the drafts and summaries are approved, we'll meet and sign the documents. During this meeting, we will answer any final questions and then sign everything. You should expect about an hour for this meeting as well. We will bring in 2 impartial witnesses for the signing. Mostly, this consists of signing papers, final explanations, etc. When we're done, you'll have the option of waiting a little bit to get your notebook in or coming back later for your notebook. An estate plan needs maintenance and repair. You should update your plan when any of the following happen: birth or adoption, loss of a child, spouse, or beneficiary, a major financial change, you want to disinherit a child, you want to change a beneficiary, get divorced, you get married, there's a change in law, there's a change in guardians, you want to change the personal representative. When your children reach 18, you start drawing on your IRA. 3 to 5 years have passed since your last review. You move to a different state. Somebody named in your will passes. You start a business, you sell a business, or you want to add beneficiaries such as a charity. If you have questions about this or anything else, you can set up a time to talk to me over the phone or in person for free by going to planwithgary.com.